Hello, this is Jason Hodges. In this video, we are going to review how to start a spray job in SprayLogger. So after you've connected to your device, hit Start Job. From here, you're going to have your drop-down list. If you're starting a job for the first time, you just begin to enter in a name. If you want to pick up from where you left off, you can hit your job name, and that will pre-fill your fields with your last job's information. For a new customer, you can just select from your drop-down customer list. Same for your spray rigs and tank mix. For applicators, hit Select Applicators. Hit Save. If you want to save these options as a default, you can click on that and then hit Start Job. And now you've begun your SprayLogger job. Thanks a lot and have a great day.